Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Monday.com Columns, a comprehensive guide to help you understand and utilize columns in your workflow. Columns are the building blocks of your Monday.com board, allowing you to store and display data in a structured and organized way. To start, a column is a vertical container that holds a specific type of data, such as text, numbers, dates, or people. Each column has a unique name and settings that define how the data is displayed and interacted with. You can add multiple columns to your board to create a customized layout that suits your needs. There are several types of columns in Monday.com, including text, number, date, people, and more. The text column is used for storing short or long text, while the number column is used for storing numerical data. The date column is used for storing dates and deadlines, and the people column is used for assigning tasks to team members. To add a new column to your board, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of your board and select the type of column you want to add. You can then customize the settings for your column, such as the name, description, and formatting. You can also reorder your columns by dragging and dropping them to the desired position. One of the key benefits of using columns in Monday.com is that they allow you to filter and sort your data. You can use the filter feature to narrow down your data based on specific conditions, such as due dates or assignees. You can also use the sort feature to arrange your data in alphabetical or numerical order. Best practices for using columns in Monday.com include keeping your column names concise and descriptive, using consistent formatting throughout your board, and limiting the number of columns to only what is necessary. By following these best practices, you can create a clean and organized board that is easy to navigate and understand. In conclusion, columns are a powerful feature in Monday.com that allow you to store and display data in a structured and organized way. By understanding the different types of columns, how to add and customize them, and how to use them to filter and sort your data, you can unlock the full potential of your Monday.com board and streamline your workflow. With practice and experience, you can become proficient in using columns to manage your data and achieve your goals.